Okay. So students, in today's class, let us learn about the maps in our topic maps. Okay. So maps provide an in-depth view about the direction of a particular place. So whenever you all visit a place, do you all check the map before going a new place?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. So maps, they provide more information, right? Rather than the globe. Do you all agree?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
It shows us the roads and all. Yes, it shows us the roads. If there is a railway close by, it will show us that. In a political map. Okay. So here there are three types of maps. They are physical map, political map, and thematic map. Thematic map. Okay. What are they? Can you all name the maps? Political map, physical map, political map, and thematic map. Yes, there are three types of map. Okay, so now let us see what is a physical map. Now look at this picture. You can see, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So look at this map of India. Okay, like what are the features that this map shows you all? What can you see in the map?
Some orange color mountain ranges like
Yes, yes, very good, Marunisa.
uh,
What else?
and then plateaus region, plain region.
Yes, very good. Okay, so the physical map, which is there, the term physical, okay, the physical features. So this physical map shows the physical features. So for example, the place which the map of a place which you are going to visit, if it has some physical features, for example, mountains, plateaus, plains, or mountainous areas, it will show only that. Can you all see the state boundaries in this map?
No, teacher.
No, you cannot see. You can only see the physical features. For example, mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers. Can you all see that Yamuna river on top, right on top here?
Yes,
Can
teacher.
you see my cursor?
Yes.
Yes, teacher. So this also shows the rivers, right? Rivers and its tributaries. So that's why this map is known as the physical map. Okay. This map showing natural features of the earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, and the oceans are called physical or relief map. What are they called? Physical or
Relief maps.
relief maps. Maps. Yes, very good. Okay. Now you all have understood, right? What are physical maps?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, very good. Now let us move on to the next map. Now this is political map. Okay. What do you understand by the term political map? It shows can anyone guess? And all, like, yes, it shows the state boundaries. For example, if the image is clear, can you all see the state boundaries, the lines, the borders? Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Every state has different color.
Different color, and they have the boundaries too, right? These boundaries. Yes. Okay. So map showing cities, towns. Okay, now this is a physical map of India. If you see a physical map of Goa, okay, look over here. So this shows a here. Can you see the map of Goa?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, you all can see the talukas. The division between the North Goa and the South Goa, right? In green and in brown. Yes. Yes. This shows the division of the village, the talukas. For example, if you see in Goa the talukas, the north side and the south side, taluka. You can all see Kepem, Tankona, Sangem. Can you all see?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So physical map shows the the boundaries of the villages, the interstate boundaries of a particular place. Have you understood what are political maps? Yes. Have you all any, do you all have any questions?
No, teacher.
Now moving to thematic map, okay? Thematic maps are the maps that focus on a specific information, okay? Now these maps don't tell you the exact place, the name of a place, the location of a place, but it tells you something about the features or the for example, for the amount of rainfall that a particular place or a country receives. Can you see the blue map on the right hand side?
Yes, teacher.
So this map, and there is a scale also. See, it's written rainfall in mm. So this map basically shows the amount of rainfall each place receives. Okay, in a particular place. This is of India, and it also shows many other aspects also. For example, I will show you the next slide. This shows annual rainfall of the whole country. And there is a scale also over here. Can you see the scale average annual rainfall?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So it shows wherever it's dark, it receives more rainfall compared to the places which are lighter. Next example is, see, look at this one, the purple one. Can you see this? Can you see the purple map?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, it shows mobile connection. Okay, in whichever area there is high mobile connections. So the purple, the areas of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, they have higher, number of mobile connections as compared to the lighter areas. Can you see Goa here? Yeah, we have that. Yes. Yes, teacher. So Goa has a high, a lot of mobile connection or very less or moderate. Moderate. Moderate, yes. Okay, have you all understood what are thematic maps? Yes. I'll
Yes, teacher.
read out to you all, okay? Thematic maps are the maps that focus on specific information such as road maps, rainfall maps, maps showing distribution of forest, industries, etc. are known as thematic maps, okay? They show specific information. Remember this word, okay? Thematic maps show specific information. For example, the amount of rainfall or the distribution of forest and so on, okay? Now look at this map. This is also an example, okay? Map showing population density. Where do you all think, in which state do you think there is, overpopulation or, like population density? Bihar is more. Bihar. Bihar, yes. Bihar has the highest population. So you can see also Bihar's color is red. So it has a higher population density. Okay. Now moving on to, I'll show you, we'll play one activity, okay? Look at this map. Okay. Can you see this map? Okay, so the map shows starting it's a cemetery, then there is a fire station, primary school, lakes. Okay, so I will ask you all one question. So you all can answer. Okay, the question is, if your friend is near the lake, can you all see the lake over here where the pin is there? You can see. If your friend is near the lake and you want her to come near the market, where is the market? Here. Can you all see the mouse pointer? Yes. Here. Yes. Okay. Instruct her the directions to reach near the market. So, is anyone volunteering to give your friend the directions to reach to the market? Okay. First, I will start. Okay. Now, see. If you are standing over here, okay, on the road C, okay. Suppose if I'm standing on road C, so I will tell her to walk straight. Walk straight. Take a right turn. Right, okay, I'm going ulta. Yes, take a right turn. Yes, nothing like that. Okay. Take, if I'm standing near the road C, okay, near road C, I'll tell her to go straight, take a right, right turn, go right turn, and then, after taking a right turn,
Go straight on the Nehru Road.
yes, straight on the right hand side, there will be the market, okay. Now, second question, I want you all to, give the directions, okay. I will read the question. If you are standing near the primary school, have you spotted the primary school?
Yes.
Direct your friend to go near the library. So you are here, and you and your friend are here near the primary school. So you want your friend to go near the library, okay? So how will you tell her to go near the library?
Take road B.
Yes, take road B.
And go to the Nehru Road. When you
Yes,
reach
very
the
good.
Nehru Road, take left. And if
Yes.
you keep going from the left side, you will find a library.
Yes, very good. Okay, very good, Grasha.
You will find a hospital. Just beside the hospital, you will find a library.
Yes, yes. Okay. Next question. Okay, direct your friend to go from the water plant. Have you spotted the water plant? It's on the right hand, down, right hand corner. Water plant. Below the lake. See, is it visible?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so direct your friend to go from the water plant to the city college. Where is the city college? Have you spotted it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so who wants to try?
Go straight on the Shastri Road, and
Yes,
after few meters, on the left hand side, your destination is there.
yes,
City
very
And
good.
Palace.
no need to take any left or right
Turn, yes. Okay, I think this one is the last one. Okay, direct your friend to go to the city park from the fire station. So first you have to see the fire station. Where is the fire station? Right on top C. Have you spotted?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So you have to instruct your friend to go to the city park, right? City park. Yeah, city park. Sorry. Yes. Where is the city park? Here. Where the pin is there. See. So how we'll go? Rihanna will try now. Rihanna, you want to try?
From a fire station. Walk straight. Then you keep walking. You will get two roads at the right hand side. So if you turn there, there will be one right road, and then there will be the one first one will be the left road, and then there will be a right road. So take any of the road, you will reach at the same point. So if suppose you have taken a right road, then keep walking straight, and you will find a city park.
Yes. Okay, so now in next time when you are giving instructions to tourists and all, so you have to be very careful, that you are saying it's the right turn, then you are showing the right hand. Some people what they do, they tell them go right, they show left hand. Have you observed this?
Yes.
Yes. So it's very confusing for them, right? Yes. Okay, so now we'll learn about the components of map. Okay, so the components of maps are distance, direction, and symbol. So today we'll be doing only two, that is distance and direction. Okay, now look at this scale. This scale, for example, now there is a map of Goa, for example, and map of Margao is of Margao city is of, for example, take 13 kilometers. Okay, just an estimated number. The area of the whole Margao city is 13 kilometers. Now, do you need a 13-kilometer big paper to draw the map?
No, teacher.
No. So we need to keep it small and precise, right? For example, we need to keep it in like a short paper. We need to draw the map. So what we'll do, this full 13 kilometers will represent it as For example, 1 inch. 13 kilometer will be 1 inch. So what will happen? This big area will, get compressed to only 1 inch. Okay. See, for example, see, look. Can you see over here? One inch is equal to 1 mile.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. And over here, see, this is a 5 centimeter scale. Okay. Your normal ruler which is there, 5 centimeter scale, but they have shown what 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So they have, what they have done, they have adjusted and made it very short. Okay. Why? Because if we do it bigger, then the map also will become so big, the size of your room, for example, right? Have you understood this part?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now see here also, the same thing is shown. Okay, in centimeters. Here 5 centimeters are there, and here kilometers. Okay, centimeters on a map. 0 to 10. Same thing it is. Okay. Now in this scale there are two types of maps: small scale maps and large scale maps. Okay, a scale has small scale maps and large scale maps. Now when large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on a paper, we use a small scale map. For example, if you want to see a small taluka, okay, so what we'll use? We'll use the whole map of Goa, or we'll use the map of that taluka only. What will we use? Yes, students. For example, like, can you repeat the question? Yes. If you want to study a map of a particular taluka, for example, if you want to study a map of Kepem, okay, and we have a map of Goa and map of Kepem only, okay. So in a small scale map, what will we use? The map of Goa, we'll use the whole Goa, or the map of Kepem only?
Map of
In small scale, yes, this will map of Goa, but we need to use Kepem map, right? Yes. So large areas, if small area, if you want to convert it into a bigger, this we'll use what? Small scale maps, right? Right, Rihanna? Sorry, teacher, I didn't heard you. See, when a large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on a paper, then we use a small scale map. So, for example, if I want to study the map of the world, like, will I use the map of India or the map of the world as a small scale map of the world, right? Yes, bigger map area, of the world. Bigger area, right? And on the other hand, see, the concepts are opposite, right? Small scale map, when you go to think it's small, but we are studying bigger area on a small piece of paper. That is the meaning of small scale maps. Okay. And here, on the opposite part is the large scale map. Small area we are zooming out into a bigger area. For example, the map of Kepem. Yes or no?
yes, teacher.
Yes. Have you understood my point?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you see this picture?
Yes.
Yes. See, small scale map, no, is a map of the whole area, the big area. Okay. And can you see this? The pin which is a small pin right in the center. Yes. That image, the image, the map of that small part is projected outside the map, outside the small scale map. See, that is known as large scale map. For example, imagine the map of the world. Okay, world map is a small scale map, and a map of India is a large scale map. Why? Because the large scale map is only showing a specific area. That is the country India. Have you all understood this? Yes, teacher. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Now the directions. Okay. A map also shows directions, right? Now, for example, if you hold the map in any direction, any, like not looking whether there is north on the top or south deep down, you will get the proper, way to go. Yes.
No,
Have you all seen
teacher,
it?
we will be confused.
Yes. Have you all seen in movies, comedy movies, they hold the map ulta and then they reach somewhere else only. Have you seen this? Yes, it is very funny, but actually it's a very serious thing, right? They wanted to go somewhere and they have reached on the opposite direction only, right? Yeah. Yes, so it's very important that you hold your map in proper, the proper this cardinal directions. Okay, so it all shows all four cardinal directions, that is north, south, east, and west. Okay, and it also shows the direction in between. For example, northeast, southeast, northeastern, the west. Have you heard of these terms? Southwest,
Yes,
southwest
teacher.
monsoon winds. So it shows you all the directions. Okay, so we have completed the components of maps. There are distance and directions. Okay, under distance we have small scale maps and large scale maps. Or we have also learned about the scale, how such a big distance is comprised into a limited scale. Have you all heard? Have you all understood this scale?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. So in today's class we have learned about maps. Can anyone tell me the types of maps?
Yes, teacher.
Political,
Physical
is
map, political map, and thematic map.
Yes, very good. There are three types of maps. What is the specialty of physical map? What does it show? It shows us the mountain range or the plains and plateaus. Yes, very good. It shows us all the physical features. For example, the mountains, the plains, the rivers also. Very good, Grasha. Next, we have come to political maps. Okay, what does this map show you? This is a political map. Can you see?
Yes, teacher.
All the
Yes.
political
What?
boundaries.
Yes, all the political boundaries of the state. If we are speaking of Goa, what boundaries it will show?
District boundaries, talukas boundaries.
Yes, very good, Manunisa. Very good. Okay. Next, we have come to thematic maps. Okay. What does the thematic map shows?
The scale of the annual
Information
rainfall.
on the yes, yeah, a particular topic like yes, it shows specific information. Yes, yes, very good. It shows specific information. For example, the amount of rainfall that a place receives. Here it was mobile connection, rainfall again, population density. It doesn't show you all the boundaries. It shows, but it doesn't show you all in that map. But it shows you all specific features. For example, population density, mobile connection, rainfall. Okay. Next, we studied about components of a map. Okay, what are the three components of a map? It's there on the screen.
Distance, directions, and symbol.
Yes, very good. They are distance, direction, and symbols. Under distance, we have learned the scale bar. Okay, how a big distance is what's made compact into a very small distance. For example, 1 kilometer is converted into, for example, 1 centimeter. Okay, large distance are compressed into small distances for, like for easy map making. Okay. Next, we have seen the two types of maps. Okay, small scale maps and large scale maps. We have learned the difference between both. Do you all remember the difference?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Okay, so next we have studied the direction. What are the four cardinal directions? North, south, east, west. East and west. Okay, so we have seen the map shows four cardinal direction, that is north, south, east and west. And we have also seen the drawbacks of not holding the map properly, right? I have told you, in comedy movies they hold the map ulta and then they reach somewhere else only, right? Yes. Okay, so now let us see how much we remember. Okay, how much we have studied. So I want you all to answer. Okay, what are the uses of a map?
Maps are used to see the directions.
Yes, maps are used to see the directions. Okay, next
We
question.
can learn about
Yes, we can learn about a particular area. Yes, very good, Durga. Next question, see, okay? List the three types of maps.
physical map, political map, and thematic map.
Yes, very good. Physical map, political map, and thematic map. Next one. What is a physical map, or what are the features of a physical map? Physical map shows the physical features of the place. For example, if it has mountains or plateaus or plain areas. Yes, very good, Grasha. Next one, what is a political map? Political map shows the states, means it shows the boundary of a place, like a state or even a country. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, what is the difference between a physical map and a political map? Can you spot the difference? Like, what is the main feature, like, which separates both the maps?
In physical map, they don't show the boundaries, only the
Yes.
physical features. And in whereas in political map, they show the boundaries, all the political boundaries, and not the physical features.
Yes, very good, Vanessa. So in a physical map, they show only the physical features, for example, mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, whereas on a political map, the state boundaries are shown. Okay, list the components of a map. There are how many components?
3.
Three. And what are they?
Distance, direction, and symbol.
Simple. Yes, very good. And how many we have covered today?
Only 2. Distance
Only
and
two. That is
direction.
health and direction. Yes, very good. And then the last one. What is a small scale map?
It is a map wherein we studied large area.
Yes, very good.
Like world
It's a map. Yes.
Like world map.
Yes, world map. Okay, and a large scale map is like, for example, if we are studying the world map, the world map, India will be the large scale map, a specific area. It is zoomed out, right? In a large scale map. Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, so that was it. And for homework, I want you all to draw a map showing the direction from your house to your school, okay, with symbols. You can add your own symbols. For example, while going to school, you have a church, so you can draw your own symbol of a church. If you have a zebra crossing, so you can draw a zebra crossing over there. Or if you have a bus stop, then you can draw a bus stop. And for example, if there is a favorite shop which you like to see, every day while going to school, you all can write that also, and write over there, in cute symbols, nice symbols you all can make. Okay, so I want you all to draw a map, from your house to your school. Okay, and it should be, what, anyone should, can look and reach to your school. Okay, like go to your school. It should be readable and very precise. Okay, have you understood the homework? Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now you all can log out. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.